Hello everybody, have a beautiful day. Today in this video I want show you how you can plant the asparagus, and I'm gonna to share with you my experiments about grow them indoor and outdoor. As you can see, I planted some seed in this container couple of weeks ago and I got this result. They were indoor and I got this result, and this is not satisfactory for me because they should grow in a straight way. As you can see, that one after few days dry out, and other ones doing like this. After few days they are going to die because they grew like this, and instead they grow in a straight way and get the leaves they dropping down and growing like this. It was weird to me why it happens to my asparagus. This variety I planted in pocket, right? It is red asparagus. I have researched about this, but I just found out red asparagus is a wild variety and they grow in nature. I never seen, and I asked my friends, did you ever plant red asparagus, or did you ever seen? All my friends says no, we never see that variety. As you can see, this is the pocket and it says it is red asparagus. I'm not sure. I have to wait for what we can harvesting on these seeds, but I discovered they cannot grow indoor. As you can see, even though I make a stick next to another one in container, they cannot stand up, and you can see because of that I plant some seed, two seeds in this part of my yard, and one of them is sprouting. After a week I got this result. So I found out that result is because of sunlight. This one doing really good. They should grow in this shape. As you can see, it gets leaves on it and doing really good. Honestly, they are not native to this zone and I never seen anyone grow them, and even though this is really good and famous, but in this city it is not famous, and even you cannot find them in a store for buy. They are really good for your body and they are really tasty. So because of these, I'm gonna to plant some seed in this part of my yard, and for these are in these containers, I'm gonna to cut them down for see what will happen to them. If I don't cut off them, they will dry out and they are going to die. I will keep them indoor. For another seed I will plant it in this part of my yard and keep another ones indoor for see what happens to them, and I will make a video about that and I will share it with you. As you can see, this is the seed. I'm gonna to plant them in this part of my yard next to my green gage plum and passion fruit and apple tree. You just need to dig in a hole just 1 centimeter, and between each seed you just need the 3 or 4 centimeters distance between the seed. We need the root system. You can grow them and you can plant them anywhere. They can grow in almost all weather and they are really good. As you know, some says it can sprouting and you can harvest in 2nd or 3rd year. After 2 or 3 years you will harvest some seed on some asparagus on your asparagus plant. We need the root system. We should in winter time or fall season, when they dry out, we should cut them down and we should keep the root system and they will sprouting in next year. Honestly, in this city, this is my first time I plant the seed, but almost 7 years ago I planted some seed in another country, but before I can harvest some, I lived and moved from that country. So I decided to plant some seed like this in this part of my yard because they need I discovered they need the direct sunlight and they cannot grow indoor really good. I'm not sure other people will grow them indoor, how that works for them and how they feed them. Probably they plant them front of sunny window. I have no sunny location in my garage. I just feed my plants with the artificial light and that works. As you can watch in my past video, in my grow room, all my seedlings and plants and even some of my citrus tree and other tree doing really good and they have no any problem. But about this one, I got that result and that wasn't really good result, so I decided to plant some in this part. As you know, asparagus will grow in really tall and you need the root system. The asparagus are like pops. They pop up or grow up from the root system and you can harvest them always when they become almost 3 or 4 inch. You will harvest them and next time you can harvest again, and the root system will stand in the soil over 20 years and they can develop in and they will you will get more plants from the root system. As you can see, I'm gonna to water them like this and In next video I will share with you and make an update on these. You should keep them moist. Have a beautiful day. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. See you in next video.